In today's section, we are learn about our .NET first console application. Now, I am give you the demo of how to create our first C Sharp application using Visual Studio 2050. Now we are moved towards the Visual Studio. Problems. Now we are creating our first console application using Visual Studio 2050. It takes some time to open Visual Studio. We can create our console first application using two ways. You can create our project, directly click on new project and click on Visual C Sharp and console application. Or also you can create the project using go to the file, new and project, and you can select the project which you want to create. Currently we have created our first console application, so we will click on console application. Also there is another way of opening this new project window by shortcut using Ctrl Shift N, and you can open the new project window. You can now we are clicking on console application project, and after click on console application project, we can give the name of our application is console application first first console application. Below that there is a location text box. In location text box there is path where we can store our project. That path we can change by using click on browse button, and here you will give the path where you want to store your application. In our case, I am just keep it as a same path. I can't change the path. And you can also change the solution name. Okay. Now I am create our first project by clicking on OK button. Okay. There is already I have project of this name, so it can be give the warning. So I will change that name with our console application and click on OK. This name also exists in our project. So I will give first demo application. Okay. So the same name in your project list, then it gives the error. The same name of project is present in your current folder directory. So now I will click on OK. Okay. It takes some time to create a project. Okay. Our project is ready. Our project name is a first demo application, and inside that namespace there is a class called program, and inside program class there is a method called main method. It's the declared as static main method. Okay. Now I will write here the statement which display the output message. So I will just write it right here, console dot write line. I will write inside hello. Okay. Now I will just comment this line, and you can see that the using system statement is inactive because the console class is present in system namespace. The system namespace contains the console static class. Inside that class, the write line is a method that takes the string as a parameter. So now I will uncomment that line, then it's active because when we have consuming the members of that system namespace, that time the compilers tell us you have to use the functionality of this namespace. The namespace contains the number of classes inside that, and that classes declare as a static, so we can directly call it as a name. So and that inside that method the static method is there, so we will directly call the static method using class name, and we have to use that. So I will show you the detailed information of console class. You can select console class, right click on that, go to the definition, and here you will see the methods inside class. The namespace is system namespace. Under that there is a class called console, and it has a number of methods like console color, again buffer heights, buffer widths. Now I am search here for write line. Now here we can find the write line method. We have used in our program console dot write line method to display the hello world output on console output window. So it's take a string as a parameter. So that method is declared here. That's take string as a parameter. You can see selected area of public static void write lines argument list is string value. Here you can see the different kinds of argument list, means it's take a different types of parameter, boolean, float, integer, uint, long, ulong, object, different kinds of parameter it can be take with same method name. Now I will show you how to run program. Okay, now I will save the program and run. On click on start button, you can run the program. Here you will show the process of compiling program. Now it's run, but it can be terminated soon because we have missed one line of statement to hold the output window is console dot read key. It's hold the output of our console window. Now again I will run the program and it shows the hello world output. It can be displayed until we have closed it explicitly on click on close button. That's it for today. In today's section, we have learned about version history of .NET frameworks till 2002, the current version of 4.8 and so on. And we have learned about difference between C Sharp and .NET, and the major components of .NET framework is CLR and architecture of .NET application, and our first C Sharp console application demonstration. And we have to learn in next video about constructor in C Sharp. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.